Very good morning everyone. Welcome again in this session. Today I am going to take the third part of the construction. Here we are going to learn uh, the construction of right angle, triangle or 120, 150. Okay. So I have taken one question from your book, that is 8th number question. Draw a line AB, take a point P outside it, and draw a line passing through P and parallel to AB. Okay, so first we have to draw a line AB, and we have to take a point P outside it. So let's start. Draw a line measurement not given, so you can take as you wish a medium size, that is give a naming AB. Draw a line AB, we have drawn AB. Take a point P outside it. P should be outside it. It should be upside of the AB or downside, as you wish. Suppose I have taken here, that is the P. And now draw a line passing through P and parallel to EB. It should be parallel, it means the line should be like this. So how can you draw that line, parallel line? So first step, take a point, any point on AB. Okay, here you have given one point parallel to AB, you have to take, so you can take any point, give the name any A, B given, so you can say P and that is Q, you can say, and match both line. Okay, now the second step is as a center Q. As a center Q means you have to place at Q and draw an arc with any radius okay, and with the same arc, with the same radius, without any disturbing, you have to draw the arc as a center P. Okay, first we have drawn an arc as a center Q, okay, here, and with the same arc as a center P we have drawn here. Okay, now your third work, first we have drawn here, second here, and third work that you have to now measure the angle. How much is it? Okay, and with the same measurement you have to cut this arc. Okay, you got a point now here. Now you can draw a line which passes through both points. Now both lines are parallel. Okay. Now you can give a name, that is AB and that is CD you can give. Now AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Now completed the answer. Once again we repeat. Draw a line AB. We have drawn a line AB. Take a point P outside it. We have taken a point P here. It is outside of AB. Now draw a line passing through P. You have to draw a line which passing through P. Okay, and parallel to AB, and it should be parallel to AB. If the line is AB this side, okay, so also this side you have to draw. So how we could draw? First we have taken an arc here, and with the same arc I have drawn here, okay, at P. And now the second work that I measured this angle, and with the same angle, with same measurement I have cut this arc, okay, and we got now 2 points. Through 2 points I draw a line which is parallel to AB and named as CD, that is. Now CD is parallel to AB. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we learn the construction of 90 degree and 60 degree. Now I am going to teach you how to construct angle 60, 120 and 30 degree using a pair of compass only. Okay, so now are you ready? I hope. So first we are going to construct 60 degree. So we draw a line and give some name of that line, A, B. Okay, now at the center A we have to draw an arc with any radius. So first we have to draw okay. So now the semicircle or the arc cuts AB at one point, okay, and we now you have to take a center of that point, cut once. If we cut once, you will get 60 degree. How much degree? This is 60 degree. And from this, if you cut again, and if you match these 2 points, you will get 120 degree. Okay, so now I indicate that dotted line I gives. If you are asked that draw 60 degree, so you can draw 60 degree, that is A, B, C, you can give the name. Okay, here angle E, angle B, that is B, BAC, 60 degree. How much degree? 60 degree. And if you are asked draw 120 degree, then don't match these 2 points, only you can draw a line here. This is 120. Give the name D. So here angle BAD, 120 degree up to here. This angle is 120 degree. Okay. Now if you want to draw 30 degree, then how can you do? If we draw 60 and then divide, only then we can get 30 degree. So draw first 60 degree, give name AB, this line sequence. Now at the center A, we have to draw an arc. Okay, and without any disturbance and without disturbing the arc or the radius, you have to cut only once. Where the arc cuts AB, that point at the center, you have to cut only once. This is 60 degree. Okay. Now we draw a line through these 2 points, but the question says that draw 30 degree, so we have to draw as a dotted line. We draw a dotted line. Okay. Now you work that this is 30 degree and you this is 60 degree, and you have to draw, you have to construct 30 degree. So if we divide this angle, you know already how to divide an angle. So you got 2 points. First, that cuts AB at here, but not given any name, you can give any name. And here, second, first and second. And now at the center of this point, you have to take an arc, and from this point, second points, you have to cut this arc. Okay. Now you got another, that is where the point of intersection, this point and at A. Through these 2 points, we can draw a line which is at 30 degree. This line divides angle 60 degree at two parts. Now you can give angle BAC, 30 degree. Okay, you can measure this one by the help of protractor. Okay, now you can measure that is 30 degree. Okay, here 30 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30. I hope you got it. Now we learn how to construct 90 degree and 45.